Talk to me. Blows and
In
skirt.
Jamaican born and grow. You see, Masicka go Calabar, Liverpool, who is him? Him for go. One Masicka.
One
Yeah,
mosquito.
Masicka turn back and start to the day, man. That's about one.
Why is the whole artist the blood clean? He wants a one mosquito. Man say your tablet can't stop blood thin. Masicka tune from player blood clot. Moby. Man say who is you, Tanley? Eh?
We start get confused in our music. You understand? Masicka is a war artist. Is gun artist. Is by right. But as me say, I'm done gone out that. Family done.
See, that's what I agree. Masicka is a gun artist, but artist. Yes, the same as a war artist. He's not really proven that. Who has he really war like that? Who he actually war like that? Now, this is like his first really serious war. I think at one point him and Gage was supposed to go at it. They never really got at it. Me didn't even remember the whole saga between him and Gage. You see me and say, but who have Masicka really war? You see me and say, the one artist who everybody been asking him to war, Alkaline. He has yet to war, shade, fling lyrics over. You know, he has yet to approach it like that. But yet say we see him, we finally see him here. I show off him lyrical prowess against Tambali. But he's still trying to shade against Vibes Cartel. As I say, he still had a lot to work to go to put in. For me, say, yo, teacher can't even look on him. But I don't think no amount of working can put in would make me say, yo, teacher have look on him, because everybody that came up and rival Cartel was because Cartel, every artist who rival against Cartel, a Cartel create them, you know, if people want to be honest. Hot take right now. Every artist that came against Cartel created his own monsters or created his own enemies. You see me? Not because him bad mind them or push or anything, but because he look them way and answer them. Movado. Let's start it from the top. Movado. The only reason why Cartel and Movado even got into it is because Cartel look him way and actually acknowledge Movado. If Cartel never look Movado way and acknowledge Movado, there would be no freaking clash and there would be no Movado. Let's get that. The one was the same thing when Cartel look over there and acknowledge him. Yeah. Alkaline was the same thing when Cartel look over there and acknowledge him, actually throw a few words over there. But yeah, I'm saying, so Cartel is the one. If Cartel don't look over there and actually acknowledge them, none of them would actually be a rival. Let's be honest about that shit. And everybody that Cartel look over there and acknowledge them and throw a word over actually help them career. From Movado, Idonia, even though him really was Idonia before, you know what I'm saying? Idol was actually on his team. Alkaline. If Cartel never look for Alkaline and fought for Alkaline, that's what I'm saying. If me not shit them, if me not shit them, the guys say me not shit them, not swallow, you know. You see me? I say, yeah, because if Cartel never look for Alkaline, Alkaline would not be this legendary artist right now. Let me tell people that right now. Point blank. Period. If Cartel never look over the answer Alkaline or throw no words or shades of Alkaline, Alkaline will not be in the discussion to be no blood cleat. You see, which is what they want to do right now with Masicka. They want Cartel to look over there, say something to him, so Masicka can reply and then can say, but remember say, yo, Masicka did shoot off a Cartel and him one of the baddest. Remember say, Masicka did have tune over there saying and Cartel back and forth, because, you know, like I said, war and clash is opinion based. You see me I say? So when a man win, you still can always have a discussion and say, maybe you know win. And you can say, maybe this, or maybe that. You see me I say? You see what I'm trying to say? No, there's always going to be this variable. There's always going to be this discussion, which is what they want. You see me? So that's why I say, Vibes Cartel, don't even look over Masicka here. Don't even answer him. Because what do Vibes Cartel gain from clashing Masicka? Let's talk about it. What does Vibes Cartel gain from clashing Masicka? Nothing. What do Masicka gain from clashing Vibes Cartel? Everything. You get acknowledged by one of the legends and one of the greats. You see me and say, you're gonna get that fan base looking from Vibes Cartel. You probably even get some international looking from Vibes Cartel. And why would Vibes Cartel do that? This man single-handedly raised your fee. This man single-handedly make you seem more valuable to promoters and event viewers and all them shit there. Cartel did that. Not even you do that, you know. Masicka even didn't increase in price by putting out good music and you know. A Cartel come out of jail and make every other artist price go up. Can you imagine that? Another artist make other people see the value in you. Can you imagine that shit? Y'all don't want to talk the truth, man. Because you don't want to talk about no one the bias. And you still want to come talk about system. What system? That cartel come and improve you? Because before cartel come out of jail, the system that you was under was bullshit. If you were saying you was the king and you that running at the time, you was not doing a very good job. Let's start hit the like button as we come in, people. Hit the like button. Let's talk about it. Because people want to talk about system. All this system, all cartel create a system where all long artists when cartel single-handedly come out of jail and improve the system that y'all have been working with for the past 13 years. And for the past 13, you couldn't raise no price. You see me, you couldn't book out arenas and sell out shows and them shit for the past 13 years. This man come out of jail. Sell out arenas and stadiums and shit. For make promoters say, you know, so we can pay artists and dance artists so money and we actually see return point. Come on now, what system? This man the single and come on and improve the system that you guys was under. Remember, I say, cartel ain't out here and I run the system in the fall in the back, you know. Cartel never there road, you know, for you can say him didn't have a system for holding the back. So only did hold himself back because only that run the system. Matter of fact, you know, before cartel go back here, a chopper music that take over. You see me I say? So I be a bias. People look for reason for it pan cartel. Let's get it.
Do a look at thing already and say, boy, man and Gabson start come out and start take out himself. For first time now I mix up with Sting. And the bungler,
What are the real warlord? Bring cartel in a war. What you say? Real warlord. Sparta than. Yeah, he real warlord. So I'm going to win the war.
when them a call out artists and want balance up, none of the big artists them now say family gun business and war music. War. It causes a physical intense also. What you don't know about? You have a little physical intense. Me know about that. Because I'm gonna say you build off of my career, brother. So one way or another, every man let it go.
Who you think take the war?
Masicka or Tamale. Two of them are two war artists, you understand what I say? And Masicka done out there not as let me tell you.
Masicka done out there. One hear the rest I say. The rest I say.
Like in my back.
Let me tell you.
Why you say Camille? Like in my back, Vibes Cartel and basically he must say some logic things, you know? What start all of this and all of that. And me confused like what start all this because Masicka did a
confused about that too.
yeah, Masicka did all a par with Vibes Cartel and a guy, so if you did hate the man that much and all of that, why you a par with the man and them some of them?
Facts, cloud chaser man.
Weird thing.
He tell me say what the things are going behind the scene and he must
Alright. Before all of that, why never separate himself? Before all of that. He never know all of that before?
Because he need one look like that energy. He say that come out of jail, dog have the world pan lock, your dog have the dance hall pan lock. So he want a little piece of dog energy. You see me and say, and when Carter start make millions now, you see me per show, and he not book none pan them. Bad mind start, you see me and say, bad mind start lick them man, you see me and say.
Oh, you're a big man, you must pick up everything. You must pick up style and everything. You just start go on and go on with the flow. That's weird. Why you move weird? You're a big man. Stand for your own and say, yo, man,
yes, woman.
Man, I do that because man like a pussy.
Yes.
You play like a
yes,
You wake up today and saying done with the
all of a sudden? Wow, that is him still. Me different.
Big up woman.
From your corrupt against me, I cut you off straight. Man, I need for, you know?
Yeah.
Man, I need for playing a game with you.
Yeah.
Me a big man, me a big woman. Once you corrupt, me a cut you off. Me no need to explain nothing to you. Me am my own person. But him just that move like, I move fake. You don't need to move fake. You're a big man.
Yeah.
And as you say, you're rich. So you don't need no man strength or nothing.
Alright.
As you say, you do. As a wild crocodile.
As a wild.
Yeah, I see Tamale.
Woman with the chips off, blood clean chicken and chips. Easy.
Like a pussy, you know? Because the whole of them is good. Him and Tamale all make song and popcorn and the whole of them. It does look a weird to me still. Basically, to all I see it in the pre-Tamily and Vibes Cartel long time.
Easy, no?
Go on the world for just big up female herself more.
Easy, no? Easy, no? Talk true, but he not walk. He not get lyrical strength. He not get, you see me?
Up himself.
You want Cartel come put him on international stage and give him an international view and he never walk. You see me?
That's all I have to say. Streets!
Big up, mama.
Song with Masicka sing, but Tamily.
Tamily.
Yeah, Tamily a lead.
But him don't know they are ready. As war artists, as the girl them, as everything. Tamily is a them type of artist. So hypocrisy there.
Tamily are going good, Masicka are going good. But right now, at the moment, I feel like a Masicka lead. But Tamily drop a song with me like still, when him not say, yo, him a kill Masicka on his birthday, I feel like that is a very good song.
Yeah, dirty.
Yeah, I deal with all know, I feel like Masicka find a song yet for kind of defeat that. You get me? So hopefully, we just look out for more and listen out for more.
So you
But,
don't want the war for them?
well, when I like the war continue still, you know, cause
Until Christmas.
yeah, cause me I go be honest with you. I'll tell you what the reason why I don't want the war continue. I feel like say the real boss will just really get involved.
No, not up
And
blood.
I could say all this thing.
Teacher no need to get involved with no commoners, bro. Come on.
Yeah, finish. You see me, the teacher for the answer.
Masicka just flop. Personally, I don't like Masicka, so you know, I just don't like him.
Jaja.
One time I leave.
Easy no mama. Oh, that's what I need one girl them there. Oh, that's what I need.
Yes. You see all the video them on YouTube? Oh my gosh.
We not pick no side door. You see me I say?
Fresh fashion, you know, place to be half a tree. 15 Eastwood Park Road, right in front of Burger King and Pavilion. You can't miss third floor upstairs. You know, we have the freshest beats them, the hottest thing them, the good thing them. So people, when they can check out the store. All
up
platforms,
yourself, you.
Instagram, TikTok.
One side, man. The landslide. Masicka, man, a rabble, man.
One side to the landslide.
Calabar Street, you know?
Calabar. Teacher go Calabar too. So yeah, just big up is to one side. He coming up in
Let me say what you don't know. Masicka don't want to say. Let me tell you. Are two good artists, good. Are two good artists. Talented
Great artists.
You understand me I say? But you don't know.
Two good artists, two great artists. Facts.
Because Masicka never let go the street, brother. Cartel they are prison. Remember say Masicka them come here. T-shirt.
Cartel up in the mean say the man like go to the street, brother. Talk straight, Ras. Talk straight, Ras.
Tagline the street. Tamily. Tamily. Me don't know. But I mean fifth. So
I
you don't
mean,
know.
business after business,
A
man.
Masicka them a go drawn to one way up, down. Anyway you take it.
Alright, I self.
Masicka them a go say. So Tamily, big up same way. Good artist. Masicka, big up same way. That's all.
Oh yeah, self. Do not.
That's it,
Alright.
guys. You've heard from the people, but we don't
Big
hear
up your ass,
from
man.
you. So comment down below and let us know which side you're on.
They fix big up same way. Keep the youth them up, keep the right vibration, keep the music, keep it. Energy, 100.
The woman want
Take
that
that.
things, boy. Say the woman want things, brother. Big up for us, though. Yeah, man, people. Like they say, you know, we hear from the street, but we don't hear from owner yet. You see me? We hear from them people, we don't hear from owner. So we need to comment and we know what go on, people. You see me? I say? Fox. Let's get it, man. Yeah, man. Big up the six for the interview. Them. I kind of like it. You see me? I say? Really insightful. This is what the people on the ground actually saying. Yeah, really dope, man. You see me? I say? So big up on himself. Clean new toxic tar drop. We might have check out that later on still, but right now later on we might check out that, you see me? But right now we are, I'm open this on a new tab. You see me? But right now we are talking about the war between Masicka and Tamily, what the streets are say. And what's going on in the net. Now, in this segment I know, I want to talk about what's going on social media. You see me? I say? But big up is fixed for that. You see me? I say?